Fastest way to create short videos for TikTok using Crayo AI. Hey guys, and welcome in this video where I'll show you step by step the fastest way to create short video for TikTok using Crayo AI tutorial. Crayo AI is a powerful tool designed to help users create engaging short videos quickly and efficiently. Whether you are new to video creation or looking to streamline your process, Crayo AI offers you a user-friendly platform perfect for creating content for TikTok and other social media platforms. This tutorial will guide you through the basics of using Crayo AI to create short videos, ensuring you can start producing high quality content in no time. So why we use Crayo AI? First we have is of use. Crayo AI's attentive interface makes it accessible for beginners. Speed we have quickly generates videos without extensive editing knowledge. Quality we have produced professional looking videos that capture attention. Efficiency we have saved time with automated features and smart templates. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your browser and dive into Crayo.ai. The fastest way to generate short video. So this is the home page. As you can see, I have here a lot of information. So the homepage looks like that. Creo, we have homepage, my projects, my uploads, video editor. We have a generate story video, generate voiceover video, generate text to image video, and all script generates like that. From I did short videos in seconds. Create a limited short video at once. Auto generate captions, effects, background, and music for you. So we have first write and outline. Start with writing scripts using a prompt or using template suggestion. All you have to do is select your story topic: Glowworks, Detective, Guardian of Whispers, Journey to Affair. You can also select story tone, funny, mystery, or horror. You can also select how much max words you want. Select your font style. We have the second one, we have customize and style, six background, video, voice, and music from free templates. You select your font style, the quick brown fox over. Select story background, William Mail, Henry Mail, Jason Mail. Finish. Third one we have finish and export. Choose export format and download generated videos, script or narration. Then we have a lot of information here, all in one tool for generated viral shorts using AI. As you can see here, automated video in seconds, auto generate captions, effects, background, and music for you. We have auto subtitle, automatic AI subtitles generator, all script generator. Start with writing scripts using a prompt or using template suggestion. As you can see, your background videos, it's like that. Choose the one you want, select custom backgrounds from templates. We have also multi-purpose videos, create video for different platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Here we have AI image generation. Select the one you want. Create AI image with prompt. Bring your ideas. Video editor, edit your videos with full-fledged AI-powered video editor and take your videos to next level. Here we have also video filters. Edit your videos and apply tons of filters, as you can see here. Here we have AI voice narrator. Bring your stories to life using our powerful AI voice narrator. As you can see, we have here Hannah female, William male, Jason male. As you can see, here we have also ultimate tool for social media growth, because unlimited short videos at once, auto generate captions, effects, background, and music for you. We have your Instagram reels. Turn Instagram reels into exciting content by adding gameplay to keep viewers entertained. TikTok videos, we have used AI to make money from the CPB program by creating entertaining content using Creo. We have also faceless content. Create a video using just a script and create captivating content. Also, we have Reddit stories. Use AI to take a Reddit story and turn it into an AI generated video. YouTube Shorts, we have create YouTube Shorts using AI voiceover script generation to help you make content. Instagram Reels, we have used AI UGC creators on Creo to make content for your reader than using your own face. Our customer, we have create unlimited short video add-ons, auto-generate captions, effects, background, and music for you. Here we have some comments. You can read it if you want. Then let's know the pricing. Pricing plans, we have create unlimited short video add-ons, auto-generate captions, effects, background, and music for you. As you can see, we have three plans. We have essential plan. As you can see, $19 for each month. We have includes 20 AI videos, 25 scripts, 30 minutes of voiceover, 100 AI image. Have Clipper plan, we pay $39 for each month. Includes we have 50 AI videos, 100 scripts, 60 minutes of voiceover, 250 AI image. The Pro plan, we have $79 for each month. Each month includes we have 125 AI videos, limited scripts, 120 minutes of voiceover, and 500 AI image. You can also pay for each year. As you can see, a session plan, we pay $160, 327 for Clipper plan. Pro plan, we pay $664 for each year here, not month. All you have to do is sign up and get started. As you can see, this is the home page. Have your Creo dashboard, Creo editor, my projects, my exports, my assets. Because we have spot video, story video, text video, blur video, ChatGPT video, voiceover video. Tools, we have AI images, AI voiceover, AI avatars, AI brainstorm, YouTube downloader, TikTok downloader. More, we have affiliate, Discord. But edit short form in minutes. Start creating. You can just sign in. You can create. Here we have generate story video. We have create an AI generated story video. Generate voiceover. We have make high quality voiceovers in seconds. Generate AI text to image video. We have create ChatGPT like image videos. Popular apps, we have split screen video, fake text video, AI avatars. Also, we have voiceover story, download YouTube video. So if you wanna start videos, all you have to do is sign in and you write your name, your email, you sign up. You can also utilize Google to sign up. So Crayo AI is an excellent tool for beginners looking to create short, impactful videos for TikTok. By following this tutorial, you'll be well on your way to producing professional quality content quickly and efficiently. Happy creating. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.